Enlightenment is closer than you think. It's always right in front of you. It's inside, above, behind, and all around you too. The entire field of your experience is a field of enlightenment. There is not a single hair, a speck of dust, or a sliver of your experience that is ever outside of enlightenment. If enlightenment were an ocean, then the objects in your world would be its waves. Waves are not separate from or other than the ocean. They are expressions of it, you could say. Likewise, your everyday world and the things in it are not separate from or other than enlightenment. They are displays or expressions of it. So, despite appearances, you are never actually apart from enlightenment. If you are searching for it, it's right here. Even as you look for enlightenment, you always look right at it. It's at once hidden and fully revealed in this very experience you are having right now.